This video looks at adding underfloor heating manifolds. So here we can see, let's say we want to serve lecture room 1G and lecture room 2G from an underfloor manifold. What we can do is nominate where we're going to place it first. So let's say it's going to be in lecture room 1G in the corner somewhere. Select the underfloor manifold, and then what we can do is apply the rooms we want it to serve. So we select the rooms. We can see here we've only got 2 rooms here because these are the only 2 rooms on the project that have been specifically set up to look at underfloor heating as a heating medium. So if we select OK there, and OK again, we can then go in, place the appliance wherever we see fit, and dump it in the space. Now if it was decided we were going to add lecture room 3G on here, we'd have to go back to the energy program and tick the box to apply underfloor heating. So we double click in the room space, we then tick the box and select OK. And then we move back to the piping program, calculate, and then when we double click on the manifold, we then go to rooms and we add that 3rd space and OK it. That now goes to 7.54 kilowatts from 5 point something kilowatts. So again, as with fan core units, you can increase or reduce the number of spaces they serve. And then what you would do is route the pipework back as per previous videos into your separate supply and return nodes on your flow and return headers.